In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to email a remittance to a supplier on Xero. This process is straightforward, so let's dive right into it. Our journey begins by logging into your Xero account. If you're familiar with the interface, this should be a breeze. But for those who are new, let's take it one step at a time. Once you're on the main dashboard, direct your attention to the top navigation bar. This is where all the magic happens, and you'll notice an array of tabs. Your focus today will be on the Business tab, which is an essential hub for managing various financial activities. Within this Business tab, you'll uncover an option labeled Bills to Pay. This section will become your workspace where you can view and manage all upcoming and completed payments owed to your suppliers. Following along? Great. Now, once you're in the Bills to Pay area, shift your focus to the Paid tab. Think of this as your archive of all settled transactions. Every bill you've cleared with a supplier will be neatly organized here. This makes it super easy to track down a specific payment for which you're preparing to send remittance advice. The next move is crucial. You'll need to pinpoint the specific bill you are interested in. Click on the entry of your choice, and this action will lead you to a page detailing that bill. On this bill detail page, your mission is to identify the link marked Less Payment. This link is your gateway to understanding the exact nature of how the invoice was settled. Once clicked, a new page pops up, revealing a thorough record of the payment transaction. At this point, you're almost there. Look for a button titled Options. Clicking this button will unveil a drop-down menu, and within this list appears the option to Send Remittance. Choosing this will prepare you to send the remittance advice via email to your supplier. Xero cleverly crafts an email template for you, which streamlines the process. You might find that your supplier's email address is already populated in the template. However, if there's a need for any edits, you can easily adjust the email address or any details. Before you hit send, take a moment to review the email content, ensure everything reads well and appears professional. Personalize any information you think would better suit this particular transaction or supplier as necessary. Once you are confident that everything is set and accurate, go ahead and click the send button. Your remittance advice is now on its way, providing your supplier with the confirmation and records they require. And just like that, you've successfully emailed a remittance to a supplier in Xero. By following these clear steps, you'll effortlessly manage your transactions and foster stronger, organized relationships with your suppliers. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Until next time, happy accounting and take care.